In today's video, I'm going to go over step by step how to mine Flux in Windows. Let's get into it. To mine Flux, the first thing we're going to need to do is to download a miner. The miner we will be using today will be the miniZ miner. When downloading a miner, you want to make sure you're downloading from the official GitHub page. There will be a link in the description below. Since we're going to be mining in Windows, we're going to come down to the win-x64.zip. We're going to click that and then save as, and then we can save to the desktop or whatever folder you want to put your miners in. After the file has downloaded, select the file, right-click it, extract all. Now this miner will ask for a password in order to extract it. So go back to the download page and you'll see Windows, password, miniZ. Simply copy miniZ, go back to extract, and when it asks for the password, simply paste it in and then click extract. Windows may give a threat found when extracting this file or trying to use this file. When this Windows security pops up, you can allow this program to run by selecting the actions that you just saw me select on the screen. Now, this is why you want to make sure that you're getting this file from the official GitHub, because this file will now run regardless of what Microsoft Defender or whatever other security software that you have. Next, we want to open the folder that was just extracted, the miniZ folder. In this folder, you're going to see a file that is titled miniZ GUI. Double-click it. Once this box comes up, there's some information that we need to fill in here, and then this GUI launcher is going to create a .bat file for us. The first box, the server port, is going to be for the mining pool that we're going to be mining to. So what we want to do is go to mining pool stats. The link is going to be in the description. Once you get here, you'll come up to the search box. You will type in Flux and press enter. Once you press enter, it's going to bring up all of the Flux pools. You can select whatever pool it is that you desire. We will just choose Hero Miners. Once the Hero Miners website comes up, we want to locate the mining pool server information, and we want to select the one that's closest to us. I am in the USA on the West Coast, so I will highlight the entire mining server information with port. Right-click, copy. After copying our miner server information, we want to go back to the miniZ GUI, select the box that says server/port, right-click and paste what we just copied from the miner server information. We then will come over and put in the 1200 in the separate box. Go back to the other box and backspace to the M. And now we have set the server/port information that the GUI needs. In the next step, we are going to enter your FLUX wallet address in the wallet box. We're going to open ZELCORE. We're going to find Flux, select it. On the left-hand side, we're going to select receive. And in the middle, you're going to see your address. You can simply click to copy, go back, and paste your FLUX wallet address in the wallet box. The next step is optional, but I highly recommend it, is to put in a worker name. Here, of course, you can put in Neo, you can put in rig 1, 2, doesn't matter. What's important about this is that if you have multiple rigs, it lets you know what rig is having issues, if any, in the future. So we'll just name this rig 1. After putting in that information, click start. After mining Flux for a few minutes, we can go back to the website, we can scroll down, and we can paste in our wallet address and press lookup. This is going to look up our miner. It's going to look up our estimated earnings, what our workers doing, recent block rewards, as well as any sort of payment history that we may have. One quick note, after closing the miner, the next time you want to come back into the miner folder to mine Flux again, there's going to be a newly created BAT file that we created with the GUI last time. So all we have to do is double click that BAT file. We do not have to go back through the GUI. Just simply highlight the BAT file, double click, and you are mining Flux that quick. And just like that, we are mining Flux in Windows. If you have any questions, please ask below. Thanks for watching.